Mm-hmm. Now, children, all of you to say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Say it louder.
Happy birthday.
Good one. So now it is time to cut this cake and share to all of you. Now all of you should stand up and be on a straight line. Stand up and be on a straight line. Tyken. No, go there. Oh yeah, come forward a bit. It's okay. No, stay there. Stay there. Oh yeah, you better stay here. Good children. Time to cut the cake. Okay, the first person. Here you go.
Hey! Don't give them that cake.
I don't understand. What do you mean by I shouldn't give them the cake?
I repeat, do not give them that cake.
And who the hell are you to tell me not to give them the cake?
You want to know who I am?
Yes.
I am the son of the mighty one in heaven. And he has set me here to set these children free. Eh?
You want me to send you back to wherever you're coming from? Do not interrupt me next time. I am going to be quiet because I'm trying to do something very important to me. If not...
Hey, children. Oh yeah, go to your mommy. Go to your mommy. Go to your mommy. Don't take any cake from anybody. Go and meet your parents. Tell your parents, I ask you not to take cake from anybody.
How dare you, man of God, or whatsoever you are. How dare you interrupt me? How dare you interfere in my matter?
How dare me?
Yes.
If you're not careful, you will see the wrath of God. Because I serve a living God. And he has sent me here to come and set his own children free. And here I am to do exactly what he has sent me to do. You see those children? They are not your mates. They can never be your mates. Never can you use them to do anything.
Auntie John! Auntie John, what is it? Why did you give my child cake now? What is the problem?
Mama, listen. It's not my fault, oh. It's not my fault. I was about sharing cake for the kids. That's how this man of God, that I like Ovasabi and like prognosing, he just came and said I should not give the children cake. He was the one that sent them away, oh.
Fake pastor. Fake pastor. Something they worry you for head. No, hey, I don't just hold up. Make you shut up for them. What you think say you be? When you just walk on this compound, uninvited, and stop Auntie Joy from giving these children cake. And I said those children, well, you have Basila children, no kukuma concern me. If they like, they don't give them cake. Why you don't let them give my own cake? Why don't let them give blessing? What's a blessing do you? So what did they worry you? Why you don't give my picking cake? You they mad?
Alright, ma. I forgive your ignorance. I forgive it. Actually, ma, you see this cake here? It's not the cake you think it is. Actually, you see this woman here is a witch. And she's trying to initiate all the children in this compound into her society. That is why she relocated into this house. Please, I beg you, do not take anything. I repeat, do not take anything from her. She's here to initiate.
I did very sure. Say this man, now my village people say.
Auntie Joy, calm down. I dare you to defend
you. Be bad man of God.
Auntie Joy, calm down.
And I need to come out this blood for your body.
Auntie Joy, calm down now. Calm down. I dare you for you. No vex. Man of God, no. Fake man of God, you dey craze. Now I feel like why me fire you?
Times 2.
You know who Auntie Joy before this compound? The most generous woman who dey for this compound.
God bless.
See, when I go market, if I go in Lagos market, go sell from morning till night, I go leave blessing for her side. Same thing here, Basila. Same thing, mommy favor. They go leave begin give Auntie Joy from morning till night. We no go even leave food money, but then he go feed them morning, afternoon, and then even night. Before I come out from market, blessing go don sleep.
I no initiate them since. Now I initiate them
that time, oh. Now you can't initiate them.
She's already working on that. She's ready to finalize it today.
You go just say this man don't.
Why because Auntie Joy? Let me give
this. See the cake wey I go buy for that supermarket for there. Fresh cake, oh. Now you dey talk say this cake no be the cake wey it is.
Now
wetin e be?
You think say you carry everything chop? Auntie Joy, let me give my pikin. Blessing collect your cake.
Yeah, take your cake.
Collect it. Collect it. Oh yeah, eat it. Try and say you no be witch. Show back where you see am. Chop am. Face this fucking person. Idiot. Oh yeah, she don't turn witch. Blessing don't turn witch.
She don't dey fly.
She don't dey fly. I said, God bless her. If you like, look, I will go call area boys when they pass it. They go beat you come out for this place. No. And they come there, help you call them.
I go come give the remaining children.
Thank you, Jare. Useless.
Make her first answer this man of God wey wear white be like wait I no know. Shame on you. Ooh, shame on you. Who laughs the best? Who laugh the best? Not be me. Okay, in your mind, you can spoil my neighbor's mind and tell her that I am a witch and she will believe you. Shame on you. You see your life? She did not believe you. She even collected the cake by herself and gave it to her child. Okay, you think you can spoil my plan? You think you can destroy my agenda? No way. Listen, what I bought this cake for, the exact mission I got this cake for, I must achieve it. And you will do nothing. You will do nothing because my mission is already accomplished. And I will go there and give the remaining kids this cake. They will eat it and they will be initiated. Nonsense. Just come from nowhere and think you can come and destroy everything that I've been planning for weeks now.
Oh God, you sent me this message, please. Don't let your children be initiated into the society of wickedness. I beg you. And also forgive Mommy Blessing, for she don't know what she's doing. Okay. I am going into fasting and prayer for you. And I am coming back for you. This is not over yet.
Wait till they do fasting for the other realm. As you they pump at me, so me say go take my own realm, they pump at you. Nonsense. Bombastic elements. Don't come and spoil my plan.